Welcome again to the next part of our video tutorial. In this part I will show you how to teach in a door lock drive so you are able to open your door by use of your smartphone or a remote control. Therefore, I already mounted the device at my front door on the cylinder, on the key cylinder, and I will teach in the device by tapping on More, Add Device. Just tap on the system key and enter the last 4 digits of the device, which can be found in the battery case or also on the QR code sticker, which is delivered within the manual 85A3. Also, you are able to scan this QR code. Just tap on the QR code icon and the camera will open and drive slowly above the QR code. So now we have to wait until the device has been paired. And we were asked if we already mounted this door lock drive to our key cylinder. Maybe I tap on no because I like to show you within the application how to mount this door lock drive. First of all, we have to enter our system key, and then it will show you that you have to remove the screws on the left and the right side from the device using the hexagon key. Remove the black mounting plate on the back of the device and put this mounting plate on the lock cylinder of your door. Loosen the 2 screws, therefore, in order to tighten the mounting plate on the lock cylinder. Then put in the key and put the device, the door lock drive, onto the mounting plate and tighten the door lock drive to the mounting plate. That's all. Now we will choose a room for our device. Maybe it's the floor. The name of the device is door lock drive. And we were asked what is the closing direction of our door. So in my case, the closing direction is right. Additionally, you have to enter if you have a door handle or a door knob at the outside of your door. And in which position the key can be inserted or removed when the door is not locked. In my example, it is horizontal position. 2 rotations were needed to fully lock the door in my example. And that's it. Additionally, you can enter a time point where the door should be locked automatically. I will show you later how we can create such a new time point. Just leave the teaching process with continue. That's all. Now I will tap on the done button and I will show you that I now can already close or lock and unlock the door. Currently the door is unlocked. When I tap on the lock button, it will lock. You can see it by the moving part of the door lock drive. And now I'm not able to open the door. And by tapping on the unlock button, it will unlock again. The next step is to control this door lock drive by use of your smartphone. Therefore, we will enter the home screen of our application and we will switch into the floor because we teached in this door lock drive into this room. We will switch to access control and you can see that the door lock drive is currently unlocked. But we are not able to control this door lock drive by use of our smartphone. Therefore, we have to create an access authorization because one or more door lock drives cannot be controlled. I like to create an access authorization for my smartphone. Click on Details and change to Access Authorizations. Now we will create one first access authorization, which is called Holger's smartphone. Then we have to choose the door lock drives which I should be able to control. So in this case it's only one. Continue. And we have to choose the device which is able to control this door lock drive. And as you can see, this is my smartphone. The video I transferred into our video tutorial. Continue. Then additionally, we can assign a PIN to protect the control of the door lock drive. So every time you open the door with your smartphone, you have to enter a PIN code, or maybe not, whatever you like. I would choose no PIN code. And maybe this user, this access authorization is limited to a certain time period. So maybe Holger is only, for Holger it is only possible to enter in the time period from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. But I like to enter every time, so I won't specify a time period. And that's it. Access authorization successfully created. Now we can switch back to our room floor. And as you can see, there are two new items appearing. Now I can lock the door with my smartphone, I can unlock the door, and I can also open the door. Let's begin with locking. Only tap on the lock button and the device will change to lock state. So I'm not able to open the door. Then switch, for example, to unlock state. So the door is unlocking and I can open it. And last but not least, the most interesting part, I think, open the door lock drive. Because now the door is opening and you can see I just can open the door. This is really interesting. You can connect a PIN code to this open button whenever you like. Therefore, change to the More category, go to the Device Overview and tap on the door lock drive. Enter your system PIN code and now you're able to change some more parameters for your door lock drive. For example, you can enter a button lock. If the key lock is activated, the door lock drive can no longer be operated by the push buttons. Maybe if you have some children which are playing with the door lock drive, you can create closing times, so at what time points the door lock drive should lock the door, or you can define an auto relock function. In this case, the door will relock the door in a specified time period if it has been unlocked before. Additionally, I would like to show you how to enter the PIN code for opening the door. Therefore, we have to switch back to access authorizations. So the access authorization I created before for my smartphone, and I can edit this access authorization, and here you will find the possibility to enter an access authorization pin. Let's say, for example, 4321, 4321, and again I will like to open the door by use of my smartphone, and now we were asked to enter the PIN code 4321, confirm, and the door is opening again. As you can see, it's and also you are able, I will show you again, to link the PIN code with biometrics. So for example, Face ID or Touch ID. Additionally, it is possible to teach in keyring remote control for access control, the device over here. Just teach in the device and create another access authorization for this remote control, and you are also able then to open the door by use of this keyring remote control.